Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check Singapore study visa online. First, navigate to the official Immigration and Checkpoints Authority, or ICA, website. This is the most reliable source for your visa status. Your school will have provided you with a unique Student's Pass application number. Keep this number handy, as it is crucial for accessing your application details. Once on the ICA site, locate and click on the e-service portal to proceed with your inquiry. To successfully check your visa status, you will need two key pieces of information. First, your application reference number, which was given to you when you initially applied. Second, your valid passport number. It is vital that these details are entered precisely as they appear on your application and passport. Any discrepancies, even minor ones, could prevent you from accessing your status, so double-check everything before submitting. Once you are logged into the ICA e-service portal, look for an option such as Inquire Application Status or Inquire Family Application Status. Click on the appropriate link. You will then be prompted to enter your application reference number and your passport number into the designated fields. After carefully inputting these details, submit your inquiry. The system will process your request and display the current status of your Singapore study visa application. Remember that visa processing times can fluctuate, so always refer to the ICA website for the most current estimates. If you encounter any difficulties or have specific questions about your application, do not hesitate to contact the ICA directly through their official channels for assistance. Also, for those looking to gain a new perspective on personal finance, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other valuable deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.